In both home repairs and large commercial projects, problems with lighting often arise, disrupting the schedule. For such cases, the Japanese company Makita offers a battery-powered light capable of working from 3 to 10 hours depending on the brightness settings. It weighs less than 8 kilograms and folds for easy transportation. The height can be adjusted from 1.2 to 2.2 meters to illuminate a bigger area with a single light. Moreover, the model can be used outdoors, as it can be easily attached to the ground with pegs. Additionally, the smart system remembers the last brightness setting, so the light can be safely turned off, for example, during lunch break. All of these features come at a cost of $454. It's time for the Americans from Nemo Power Tools to step in. They produce the world's first and only cordless underwater tools. It all started with orders for scientific and governmental organizations, and later they designed models for ordinary customers as well. In particular, this reciprocating saw. It's a great choice for depths up to 50 meters. However, you'll have to make pauses in your work. You can cut only 5 minutes continuously. But the saw weighs 2.9 kilograms and has a speed of up to 3,000 strokes per minute. A keyless blade clamp allows you to change blades easily underwater. The kit comes with a case, a pump, 2 blades, 2 batteries, and a charger with Type A, American, G, English, or I, Australian plug. The price is $2,251. The motto of this gunsmith is, if you can explain what you want, we can bring it to life. He is an expert in accessories and custom projects with Glock pistols, and once had a conversation with a big fan of the Milwaukee company. The large American manufacturer has been in business since 1924, and is well known for its power tools. It's no surprise that they have a solid fan base. So, the expert took a 9mm Glock 34 pistol and customized it in the signature Milwaukee style. And as a bonus, you can get this battery-powered revolver screwdriver. It costs only $20, comes with 6 bits, and has a 600 mAh battery. Here's another tool from Makita. It will help you quickly figure out what's inside your walls. This scanner can detect various metals, copper, steel, aluminium, as well as wood, plastic, and shielded cables. Everything it finds will appear on a 4-inch color display. The operating modes include concrete, wood, drywall, and cinder blocks. The detection depth is up to 18 centimeters, and the accuracy is up to 4.7 millimeters. For convenience, there's a built-in guide laser and lighting. One charge will last for approximately 28 hours. Additionally, the scanner is compact and weighs 1.4 kilograms, making it easy to hold with one hand. This Japanese product will cost you $1,322. Our selection continues with a no less useful attachment. It makes working with ground rods easier. The thing is that the human body easily conducts electricity, and many specialists have to work with tools and equipment that accumulate an electrical charge if they have no grounding. The result is predictable, so grounding is a very important safety measure. The attachment helps to drive the rods quickly, neatly and precisely at 2 or 2.5 centimeters above ground level. You can work on a slope, and thanks to the hex shank, it'll work perfectly with many jackhammers. Interestingly, the designers managed to obtain a patent. Perhaps this explains the price of around $240. On the other hand, you won't have to run around with a sledgehammer anymore. It took more than 6 million of them to build one of the world's largest steel arch bridges, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. And if you wear jeans, you see them almost daily. Rivets are everywhere. And while bolts and welding are more commonly used in construction projects, rivet tools are still being produced and in demand. On the screen, you can see a German ratchet tool for working with rivet nuts from M6 to M12, made of steel and aluminium. Some of the interesting features that stand out are fitting the rivet nut onto the mandrel and removing it can be done 4 times faster. Convenient working in cramped and narrow spaces, easy operation even with the M12, and easy visual control that allows you to keep everything straight. Add to this a modest weight of 1.1 kilograms and a price of about $200, and it doesn't seem like a ripoff. Cable specialists have not been sitting idle either. Here's a battery-powered hydraulic cutting tool capable of handling cables up to 20 mm in diameter. Aluminium or copper cables? No problem. Operation with one hand? Absolutely. A particularly complex case in a limited space? Use the remote control. Cutting time ranges from 2 to 8 seconds. Along with the battery, the tool weighs only 2 kilograms. By the way, you can choose both a Bosch or a Makita battery. The former takes 15 minutes to charge, and the iPress app will collect data during operation and then compile a report in a PDF format. You can check it yourself or send it to a client. All of this costs $1,702. The adjustable electric hole saw you need today. Quick, easy, and clean, the seller writes. We believe them, but just in case, let's look at the specs. For $49, they promise easy adjustment to 35, 65, 68, 74, 76, and 83 mm diameter, neat cuts in oriented strand boards, drywall and softwood, and a weight of 180 grams. You can install light fixtures, sockets, and switches, and work both with a drill and a screwdriver. The 2 hexes included in the set will simplify the adjustment, so no more unnecessary breaks. Buyers are happy as the saw doesn't take up much space, but it is really useful. These tools were created based on the wishes of professional painters, and they did a great job. Considering the amount of construction work in different countries, there is a lot to paint. So this painting multi-tool will come in handy. Opening cans or boxes, cleaning paint rollers, removing old paint. The blade will solve many problems. And the second version of the tool is equipped with a putty knife. A locking mechanism will prevent accidental folding. All this at a price of $13 or $28. It's not a coincidence that the manufacturer sends 20 million different tools to 15 countries around the world every year. Our selection continues with this plastic strapping tool. It's used to pull strapping tight around a package. The tape width is up to 32 mm, and one charge is enough for about 370 shipments. A big advantage is that this model uses welding instead of seals. There's also a version with fully automatic tension adjustment available. The tool weighs 6.5 kilograms together with the battery, but the manufacturer has worked on the balance, so you can work comfortably in any position. And the brushless motor ensures quiet operation and long life without overheating. The price for the self-adjusting version is $4,000. Let this heavy-duty tool take the strain off your back, the seller suggests. On the screen is a roller for working with floor coverings like linoleum and vinyl. The idea is to ensure perfect contact between the material, the adhesive compound, and the floor. The range includes models weighing up to 45 kilograms. So even thick and dense linoleum will be installed properly and will not warp, even in rooms with high foot traffic. The manufacturer promises excellent balance, so that the gluing is even and maneuvering is easy. Some models have removable pivoting legs with wheels. They're useful if the work is done in several areas at once, and the roller must be constantly moved. The price for the 34 kilogram model is $285. On the screen is a simple but useful tool, a brick line runner. But a simple version is not enough, as you could easily find 50-meter versions for $2 or $3 online. That's why they came up with this 2-clamp system with spring-loaded inserts, easy and convenient line winding, and rubber pads for a snug fit. The tool weighs 260 grams, and the standard set includes 2 clamps and a 10-meter line. The main material is polypropylene, so the system is strong, durable, and ready for the hustle and bustle of construction sites. It's made in the UK, and the price is $41. Also a real lifesaver when you desperately want to watch the latest video of Mind Warehouse. Unfortunately, the device isn't smart enough to subscribe to our channel automatically, so we advise you to do it in advance. It's really not that hard. Just click on the red button, then click on the bell, and you'll never miss out on exciting content.